Hello, my name is Steve, and in this video I would like to share with you how to start a small business, so let's jump into it. At first, I already would like to highlight in the beginning that this video is not about if you would like to become a full-time entrepreneur. It is something when you just would like to create a side business, some kind of side hustle. If you start a small business, it's a great opportunity for you to step into the world of business, and also you can decide later if you would like to follow this path or you just would like to stick to your full-time job. If you decide that you would like to start a small business, of course there are a lot of pros and cons too. What are the benefits when you start a small business? Your side hustle can help you to earn some kind of extra money, which is always very handy. As I already mentioned, it helps you to step into the world of business, and later you can decide if you would like to become a full-time entrepreneur or you just stick into your small business. Lastly, you will learn a lot of interesting stuff. When you are an entrepreneur, you will jump into the world of accounting and taxing, the world of marketing, selling, and also your communication will be improved because you have to treat people and your customers too. This is one of the most interesting positive side effects of your small business, because even if you fail, these kind of skills can be taken away from you. So as you can see, there are many advantages when you start a small business, but of course there are many risks. First of all, you can lose your money if you invest into the wrong idea, and of course you can lose energy, time, because you invest into something which will fail in the end. If you create a small business, it can also increase your stress level, because there are many things which can be changed within a blink of an eye, and of course you can be stressful after these things. I guess if you're watching this video, you have already decided that you would like to start your small business, so I think you would like to know how to start your own business. Check out my 4 tips how I started my first small business. Step 1. Be passionate. If you would like to make sure that you succeed with your small business, you have to be passionate. If you only start for the money and you are not passionate about your idea, sooner or later you will fail, because you just fear that you invest your time and energy and of course your money into an idea where you are not dedicated at all. If you are not passionate, you will fear that there are unnecessary tasks which you are absolutely not enjoy, and after these kind of tasks you just will give up because you don't enjoy all the aspects of your small business. So my first tip for you, that you have to be passionate about your idea, and also you need to find an idea which fits for you. Most of the people I know, they start a side hustle or a small business based on their hobbies. For example, if you enjoy football or basketball, you can sell and buy trophies online, or maybe you can collect cards and resell them. So there are a couple of ideas how should you start a small business. I truly believe that that's the only way if you would like to make sure that you succeed with your small business. Step number 2, preparation is everything. It's a great start if you already know how you would like to start your small business, but most of the time that's the point also where people fail. They deeply believe that the idea what they come into their mind, it's worth changing, and of course it will work even the idea is against all the odds. These kind of people are blinded by their own vision, because they just would like to see what they imagine in their head, but they don't evaluate their current situation in a proper way. If you would like to start your small business, you have to be objective, and you can't make decisions based on your feelings or your own scenarios. Before you start to invest money and energy into your small business idea, I suggest you to go through the following list. First, you have to evaluate the strong and the weak points of your business idea. This kind of analysis have to be objective, because as I mentioned, you can't use your own feelings to justify your idea. I suggest you to invite one of your best friends and do some kind of brainstorming to make sure that you just not make the decisions based on your own feelings. After you made the analysis, you can create a business plan, or what do you expect from your business. You can ask the following questions. What are the profits and margins which can satisfy you? How much cost you need to invest into the idea from the beginning? You can evaluate the fixed costs and also the variable costs. For example, if you rent a garage or something, these can be used as a fixed cost, but if you invest into ideas and trainings and marketing channels, these can be some kind of variable cost. Certainly you have to make the right market analysis, so you need to evaluate your possible competitors. You also need to make sure that your product or service is viable and it can create enough money for you. All in all, you must analyze all aspects of your possible business and make sure that you make the right decision, and these are not based on your feelings but on facts. Simply, you can be the following guy. Dude, I think I have evaluated your possible business idea and I am not sure that this will make any profit for you. Sorry, what did you say? I just bought 1000 t-shirt for $1,000. It was very great price, I think. So you have the passion and you have evaluated the strength and the weak points of your business idea, and the results were positive. So right now you need to move on and let's start the real business. So you invested your first dollars into your product or service, and of course you would like to make sure that you sell enough from them. Certainly you need money for two different purposes. First of all, you need to cover your costs, what I have already mentioned, and also you would like to make some margin. So how do you find customers for your products or services? Definitely you must advertise your products. As you have limited money from the beginning, I think you would like to prefer the free channels. There are a couple of tips which can use for advertise your own business. Let's see the following tips which can help you in advertising for free. You can create posts on any kind of social media like Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook, of course. Moreover, I encourage you to talk about your business with your friends. Word of mouth is one of the best marketing which can help you to gain some extra customers for your business. But make sure that you won't be the following guy. Long time no see you, how are you? I'm fine, thanks for asking. I just started my own business. I am selling right now t-shirts. Wow, that's amazing. I am very glad that you finally started your own business. What about your family? Thanks for asking, they are fine. Have I mentioned that I am already selling t-shirts? Yes. Oh, great. Then go ahead and buy one t-shirt from me. Okay, I will, but I think I need to go right now. Also, you can post on forums where people are looking for products and services, and you can provide your business products and make sure that you fulfill their need. Finally, you can use the well-known auction sites like eBay, Amazon, and so on. Definitely not all of the mentioned marketing channels will work for your business. For example, if you are working in the industrial field, maybe Facebook won't be the best for you. But also if you are working for and selling t-shirts and jeans, Instagram can be a very great channel for you. Step number 4, analyzing the results constantly. So you already spent a couple of bucks on your marketing channels and also you bought your first products, and you would like to make sure that the results will be positive. When you are an entrepreneur, it doesn't matter if it is a small business or a big business, you just would like to make sure that you're analyzing your results constantly. From the beginning, I encourage you to analyze your business performance day by day, because it can be very difficult to make the right decisions if you are not following the data day by day. Also, when you have limited resources like your money and time, it's very important to make the right decision at a certain point when you just feel that it can be continued to spend more money on the wrong marketing channels, for example. As I mentioned, some of the marketing channels won't work, some of them will be very effective for you, and also some of your products maybe will fail, while other products will be a huge success. But you always need to evaluate which are the strengths of your business and also the weak point of your business. Only time and testing can help you to make sure that you will make the right decision at a certain point. It can be very challenging because sometimes not enough time passed and you already spent $100 on a marketing channel, and maybe if you don't give up, it will bring you some profit because you have already invested money into it, but maybe it will fail also. So it is very hard to make the right decisions. Keep your eye on the mentioned things and your business performance, and make sure that you intervene when it's necessary. You can't invest money and time into marketing channels and also products which not bring some profit for your business. Sometimes hard decisions have to be taken, and you can be the following guy. So how is your business? Did you make any money? Not yet, but only 3 months passed and I have spent $5,000 for my idea, but it will work. $5,000! I think you already need to give up. I think you are not right, and I feel that my time is coming soon. I just feel in my bones. So as I mentioned, make sure that you're always analyzing your business results and make the right decision when it's needed. So that was all for today. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I think you have learned if you just would like to start your small business, you don't need to sacrifice your family and your friends, and sometimes you need to give up if something is not working. Make sure that you follow my list and you do the right things in the right time, and do everything what you can do. Maybe sometimes bad things happen, but also good things can happen. But in the end, if you did all the right efforts, I'm quite sure that you will be satisfied also. As always, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also share my videos, and see you in the next video.